Snails at the African Center for Community and Development. They're doing well. This morning, and it's also a reflective note for us. We're actually reflecting on biodiversity loss globally. 20% of all native species have been lost globally since 1990. 4 million hectares of traditional African forests is being lost annually. Countries like Nigeria have lost up to 50% of their primary forest, while Cameroon lost 18.1% of her 4.4 million hectares of forest cover between 1919 and 2010. The situation in the whole of Africa is dire, especially as biodiversity loss is marked by serious issues related to biodegradation, erosion, the loss of biodiversity, and so on. Elephants are killed every day. There are only 400,000 left in the wild. This is serious. Apes, rhinos, bird species, including raptors and other animals, are lost daily because of dependencies on them for food, for traditional medicine, and so on. The situation is very important as commercial farms are sprouting everywhere in the continent. The planting of monocrops like rubber, cocoa, coffee, and palms is significant and is leading to biodiversity loss, is leading to the shrinking of watery holes. Climate change is actually leading to desertification, the drying of oases, irregular rainfalls, and so on. The time to act is now. We at the African Center for Community and Development think acting is multidimensional or multi-pronged. In its education, capacity building, in its financing of relevant stakeholders, it needs the creation of institutions that will build the capacities of those who are going to be earth watchers. It also needs restoration of degraded lands. And this has to be bottom up. It doesn't need to be based on blueprints. It has to integrate processes that are going to put culture, put dignity, put conservation, put food, put alleviation of poverty together. It must integrate SDGs, and it must also integrate business. Decarbonization processes must be real, and the issue of bankability has to be redefined, as it is actually excluding a major chunk of the subpopulations globally from partaking in sustainable development and the conservation of biodiversity globally. So work with us at the African Center for Community and Development as we understand species and also as we work towards the preservation of biodiversity alongside. I'm Ivo Arrey. Thanks for watching. Cheers.